the new DJI Osmo Pocket. Hi guys! So today we are going to unbox the new DJI Osmo Pocket. So it just arrived today, so let's see, let's open it. First we're gonna remove this one. And right inside you will find the Osmo Shield. Is for the warranty and some information card. So here's the box, all white. Let's open it. So this is what you'll see inside the box. This is the DJI Osmo Pocket, and this is its carrying case. So you'll see how small the new DJI Pocket is now compared to the old one. It's like more than half of its size. So let's open the rest. This is the carrying case. And inside the carrying case, you'll see the quick start guide and the manual and some safety guidelines. And it comes with a strap, some silica gel, and we're gonna open this. It comes with the cable or the charger. It's a USB cable, and these two adapters. This is the lightning cable for the iPhones, and this is the USB Type-C for Samsung or Android phones. So that's it for now. In the next video, we're gonna compare the new DJI Osmo Pocket to the old DJI Osmo. So until next time,